Welcome to MBBS Council. If you are looking for deemed university medical colleges for admission, then this video will help you avoid the number one choice filling mistake and save few lakhs in college fees. Install MBBS Council Android App. It contains everything you need to know to predict and analyze medical colleges for your NEET rank. Tuition fees range for deemed university medical college varies from rupees 10 lakhs per year to rupees 26 lakhs per year. For NRI quota, it is between $33,000 to $60,000. Candidates applying under NRI category are also eligible to apply for both All India quota in government colleges as well as management quota in deemed university medical colleges apart from the NRI quota MBBS seats. During choice filling, NRI candidates should place the NRI quota seats at the bottom of the preference after adding All India quota colleges and management quota colleges. Even though the course duration of MBBS is 4.5 years, the number of years tuition fees needs to be paid varies from college to college. Few medical colleges charge 4 years tuition fees and some charge 4.5 years tuition fees. Most of the deemed university medical colleges charge 5 years tuition fees. This makes it difficult during choice filling to order the deemed university medical colleges. You should always keep total budget in mind rather than the tuition fees mentioned in the MCC counselling website. Many deemed university medical colleges increase their tuition fees every year. The increase varies between 7.5% to 15% depending on the college. Under different names, you need to pay other fees which could be either one-time or annual, which again varies between rupees 50,000 to rupees 3 lakh depending on the college. If you are a premium customer of MBBS Council, you can find information on how many years tuition fees is charged or how much percentage fees is increased, other one-time and annual fees charged by all deemed university medical colleges on the MBBS Council app. Few deemed university medical colleges ask for bank guarantee for remaining years of study, which makes it difficult for parents to prepare financially within the available time. So avoid these colleges in your choice filling list, which will eliminate unnecessary headache during the counseling. Some colleges ask you for development fees and some colleges ask eligibility fees and so on. Most deemed university medical colleges make it mandatory to stay in hostel even if you live in the same city where the medical college is located. In general, deemed university hostel fees are costly and would range between rupees 1 lakh per year to rupees 2.5 lakh per year including the mess charges. In few medical colleges, college and hostel will be in different campus. In such cases, you have to pay the transport fee as well. You can find the complete information in MBBS Council Android App. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you are looking for expert guidance during this year counseling to get best medical college for your NEET rank within your budget, contact Paid Admission Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.